The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for South Central Faulkner County in central Arkansas, West Central Lonoke County in central Arkansas, Pulaski County in central Arkansas, Central Saline County in central Arkansas until 7:45 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 7 miles south of Lake Norell, or 7 miles northwest of Benton. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include West Little Rock, Southwest Little Rock, Sherwood, and Little Rock Airport, North Little Rock Air Force Base, Jacksonville, Downtown Little Rock Airport, Bryant, Benton, Sylvan Hills, Sweet Home, South Bend, Shannon Hills, Scott, Prothero Junction, Pinnacle Mountain. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 110 and 142. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 140 and 167. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 1 and 5. The storm